What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we got a really quick video. We got a little bit of a budget collecting video. We're going to do a little mini pack opening. We've got a pack of Topps Chrome Champions League Hobby right here, and we've got a pack of Topps Chrome Champions League Hobby Lite. I picked this up at my local LCS Palmetto Collectibles. Make sure to go check them out. The Hobby Lite pack is going to be $8 a pack, about $120 a box, and the actual hobby, full hobby, is going to be about $13 a pack at about $225 a box. So obviously just open one pack here and want to compare, see what gets you the best bang for your buck. So let's get started here. We're going to get started with the Topps Chrome Champions League Hobby Lite pack. Hopefully we can get some luck here. I'm hoping we pick the right packs here. So let's see what we can do. Alrighty, let's get us started here. Alrighty, starting off, we've got Sergio Busquets. We've got a Marquinhos. We've got a Karim Benzema for Real Madrid. And we've got a Future Stars Sandro Tonali. So no numbered card, but our insert for that pack is Sandro Tonali. So we got the Hobby Chrome Lite out of the way now, and now we're moving on to the hobby. Here's the chance for the autograph or some higher leveled numbered parallels. So hoping we can get lucky here. Come on, guys. It's looking like we got another Future Stars. Ah, man. All good, all good. Let's see if we can get anything lucky here. Alrighty, we got a Bruno Fernandes base, Francisco Conchicao base, rookie. We got a Luis Suarez base, and we have a Karim Adeyemi Future Stars base. So no numbered. We didn't get the biggest luck. We got no numbered cards out of that. If you're comparing these packs, absolutely would have been the Hobby Chrome Lite. We got these top base stars, and then we got Sandro Tonali Future Stars, whereas in the actual hobby we got these and a Karim Adeyemi Future Stars. So neither pack did great, but if you're going to compare this pack battle, I would say the Topps Chrome Hobby Lite pack won that one for sure, being $8 versus the $13. We didn't do great, for sure. We did not do great, but that's just how it goes in the hobby some days, and sometimes that's all you can do. So that was a fun little rip, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one.